Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is the review about AddonMoney. So this website I've uploaded before, so it really pays money. Can you see my balance is 705 points, and I earned this just was doing simple thing, just viewing ads. So you have to install this extension on your laptop, so it will be what to autoplay it itself, and you also earn coin on it. So that's it. Can you see I just earned 705 in my balance today? Can you see it? Can you see? No referral 692. Can you see it here? Can you just look at it? Here is rise up here. And if I want to withdraw this my money right now, I'll just pick PAYEER. Set I am not a robot. So I have to put my wallet address here. I have to put my PAYEER. I have to put my PAYEER wallet address here. So when I put it here, and I'll press the amount of money I want to send, amount of points. So when I put the amount of points here, and I'll put my PAYEER here, so I will see the money within 5 minutes. And here the rate of these points at the rate of 100 points is cost to 1 rupee. And what this is my balance here. So I'll be receiving 7 rupees. Wow, 7 rupees is a small amount, so we have to manage it like that. So guys, you just have to sign up, and you can also earn on this website. It's really legit and it's paying. So this is not my first time withdrawing on this website, so I'll put in my PAYEER. I'll posting the payment proof when I see it. I'll be posting it on my YouTube. I'll be posting it so you guys can see it. It's really paying. So just sign up. I'm dropping my referral link under this comment section. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share these videos for more.